I'm Christine from Chris by Bike. And if you have a Brompton, you know how marvelous this bike is. And it's great to ride, but it's fabulous to fold it. I know you're gonna say, oh, why a bike is good when folded? Because you can take it anywhere. You can go inside of a coffee shop and take it with you. Or you can put in the headband of the airplane. And that's so cool. Or you can get in a train with it, fold it, and you don't have to reserve a place for it because it goes in just like a luggage. The engineer on it, on the folding, is fabulous. Everything has to be adjusted, has to be right on it. And today we're gonna adjust the stop disc. Actually, they call lower stop disc. There's no upper stop disc, but that's how they call it. A couple weeks ago, I did a video about 10 items that you should check on your Brompton. And I noticed that my stop disc wasn't adjusted right. It's very simple to do it, but it's very useful. And on this video, I'm gonna show you how to adjust the stop disc. Let's do it. First, let me show you what is a stop disc. It's this piece here. It's attached to the brakes and the light, the rear light. It's not a light, it's just a reflector on my case. So when you fold your Brompton, this here is what stops the Brompton when you lower your seat post. It's what it stops the Brompton from opening. So it's very, very important to be well adjusted. On our Brompton, the stop disc is here, but on the new triangle from the P line and the T line, the stop is not a disc, but it's here. So it's a lot higher, and that's why you can lower your seat post. You don't have to lower all the way down, and it holds the Brompton close together. Let me show you. So how do we fold our Brompton? We close the triangle. Is it fixed? No. See? So if you don't lower your seat post all the way down, it does not stay together. So let's put it back in and show you. Now it's perfect. But I don't know if you did notice, I had to move a little bit to go down. See? So let's do it together. So this is what happening to my seat post when it goes down. See? It's moving. Can you see it? So it should go down, straight down, and when down, you should have 1 to 2 millimeters of distance. It's pretty simple to do. We're just gonna lose this bolt here and tighten it a little bit, enough to give 1 to 2 millimeters of distance when your Brompton is folded, okay? Okay, I moved over here because there's some more light and there was a bit dark. So let's get the tools. Yes, for this, in this case, we don't use the Brompton tool because we need like a wrench like this. So let's get it. We need a 15 and a 7.16. That it? As you can see, there is no space between the stop disc and my seat post. So the goal is to loosen up this here. Okay, to have more space to work, I'm gonna take this out and Okay, that's the stop disc. As you can see, mine is all rusty. So I have to put this here more towards inside, okay? Let's check it. We might do it. Let's see if it was enough. Yep. See? It goes up. It could be a bit more. I think when I tighten it, we'll be right on it. So it's a very easy task to do. Just need some patience and check if it's tighten it. This bolt fixes the reflector and the brakes. So if they're not in the right place, oh, could be dangerous. Check to see if everything is fixed. Okay, lower stop disc adjusted. Let's check it. Let's see if it goes down straight. Ah, perfect. Oh, I love it. And here's 1 to 2 millimeters of distance from this lower stop disc to your seat post when folded. That's what Brompton recommends. Perfect. Hope you did like it. If you did like it, thumbs up. And if you're not part of the channel, please sign in, subscribe. I'm so happy that the videos are going all over the world and so cool. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so very nice. If you did like it, give a super thanks. Yes, I love the super thanks. It's so cool. But please say it. This is a super thanks because YouTube takes forever to tell me that, and I want to thank you. And I don't know it's a super thanks. So how can I thank you if I don't know if it is a super thanks? Oh, you got me. Hope you like it. Please always adjust this stop disc. It helps a lot when unfold and folded. So please do it. Bye-bye.